Hi there, students. Forefront, the forefront, at the forefront, in the forefront. Okay, the forefront is a singular noun. There's only one, it's unique, so it's always singular. The forefront is the most important position, the leading position, the position at the front. Okay, so at the forefront of something. Okay, so the company is at the forefront of the new technology in this field. If somebody is at the forefront of a campaign, they are one of the most influential people in this campaign. Yeah, they have a leading position. Yeah, Greta Thunberg is at the forefront of the campaign for against global warming. The forefront, the foremost part, the foremost place. I guess there was a display in the shop window, and at the forefront, the most important bit at the front, there were a beautiful pair of shoes. Yeah, a beautiful pair of shoes. She is a politician at the forefront of women's lives, of women's rights. He is at the forefront of progressive politics. Okay, so the most important, at the forefront, even to the forefront as well. Okay, so the forefront of something, the most noticeable part, the most important position in a market, in an activity, in a group. So something can come to the forefront. This problem started to come to the forefront this year, or new companies in this sector are coming to the forefront. You could bring something to the forefront or push it to the forefront. Who decided to bring this problem to the forefront? I think you could just about use this as a verb. Who forefronted this? But I think I would rather to bring something to the forefront, to push something to the forefront. So he's at the forefront of global research into this matter. Yeah. Okay. On the forefront of the shelf, we can see some interesting books. Yeah. The vanguard, the most important part, the most important place, the most prominent place, or in the extreme front. Yeah. There was a picture of all of the children at the school, and in the forefront I could see my son sitting there. Okay, so the front end, the fore part, the very front, and then the forefront, the position of greatest importance, the cutting edge, the vanguard. So he's at the forefront of the campaign. He is the spearhead of this campaign. Yeah. The front line of soldiers are at the very front, are in the forefront of the battle. Okay, so they are the people at the front. They are the leading edge. Yeah. So this laboratory is doing research which is the forefront of the technology. It's the most important. It's right at the front. It's the very latest thing. Okay. So formality, at the forefront. I would use this. Sounds like a news word, a word to use on the news. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. And then the forefront, well, the origin is clear. It's the forward part of the front. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. In the forefront, at the forefront, to the forefront of something.